Denmark, known for its high quality of life, innovative work culture, and beautiful landscapes, is a top destination for skilled professionals seeking exciting career opportunities abroad. Whether you are an experienced specialist or a recent graduate with a strong potential, Denmark offers a range of work visa options designed to attract global talent. Thinking of working abroad in 2025? What if I told you that Denmark, one of the happiest and most progressive countries in the world, is now hiring international professionals in high demand sectors? Stick with me as we explore Denmark's latest work, visa opening for the most in demand jobs, and how you can apply. Denmark's work visa overview. Denmark is calling skilled workers from around the world. In 2025, the Danish government has updated its positive list. These are the official list of occupations experiencing a shortage of workers. Whether you are an IT expert, healthcare worker, engineer, or a trade person, Denmark may have a spot for you. What's new in 2025? As of January 1st, 2025, the positive list for higher education has grown to 162 jobs titles. The skilled worker list has 48 job titles slightly refined to better meet current labor demand. Section 3 in demand job sectors. So which jobs are in high demand? Let's break it down by sectors. Number 1, information technology, IT, software developers, cybersecurity specialist, IT consultant, data analysis, system administrators. Number 2, healthcare and social services, nurses, psychologists, physiotherapists, social workers, special educators. Number 3, technical and skilled trades, electrician, construction workers, blacksmith, CNC mechanic, electronic mechanics. Most roles require a relevant degree or a vocational training. And in healthcare, you may need official recognition from Danish authorities. Section 4, salary requirements. A quick heads up. If your job offer is not covered by a collective agreement, you must be offered a minimum salary of 71,000 DKK per month, that's around 10,200 US dollar. Section 5, how to apply. Here's how to apply for the Denmark work visa in 2025. Step 1, check the positive list. Visit the official Denmark immigration website or workindenmark.dk. Step 2, secure a job offer. Use platform like jobindex.dk, workindenmark.dk, jobnet.dk. Step 3, gather your documents. Valid passport, educational certificate, employment contract, proof of work experience. Step 4, submit your application. Apply through SIRI, the Danish Agency for International Recruitment. Step 5, biometric and decision. Book an appointment, provide biometrics, and wait for your decision. Section 6, useful links. Want to start your job search? Check out these useful sites. Jobindex.d, work in Denmark, jobnet.dk. Denmark is opening its door to skilled professionals from around the world. If you got the talent, the qualification, and the drive, this might be your next big career move. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more updates on global jobs, opportunity, and visa guides.